Troubleshooting an LG refrigerator custom chill drawer that is not cooling. Your LG 4-door French door refrigerator's custom chill drawer has its own temperature environment with preset temperatures that can be set with the dedicated control panel. Note that not all custom chill drawers have the ability to freeze. If your refrigerator's custom chill drawer is not cooling, first check to see if the drawer has power by pressing any of the controls on the chill drawer control panel. If the chill drawer has power and is not cooling, check the freezer and refrigerator compartments to make sure the entire unit is not having a cooling issue. If there is a cooling issue in the other compartments, please contact LG customer support. If there is no cooling issue with the other compartments and the chill drawer control panel does not have power, note that the control panel will not function if it is not properly connected. Fortunately, troubleshooting this issue is easy and can be done without the help of a technician. Start by removing the basket and drawer. To do this, open the drawer to full extension. Then remove the basket by lifting it from the rail system. Then hold both sides of the drawer and remove it from the rail system. Now look in the back right corner of the drawer area for a disconnected wire harness connector. If you see a disconnected connector, move it to the front of the drawer opening and let it rest there. Reconnect the connector to the socket on the back right corner of the rail system by aligning both ends and pushing them together until you hear a click. Tug gently to make sure the connection is secure. Note that you may need to return the drawer without the basket before making the connection for the drawer to slide properly. Now try pressing the control panel buttons for the chill drawer to see if it works properly. If the control panel is now working, the issue is resolved. Grasp the drawer on each side and lower it into place on the rail system. Pull the drawer open to full extension and lower the basket onto the rail system and close the chill drawer. If after performing these steps the control panel still does not work, the unit will require repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.